So basically, when you get this live telecast, kindly do me a favor by sharing this live telecast for me. And I believe that you're going to be a blessing. I've got one or two things to discuss with you. So please, with all due respect, once you get this particular live stream, kindly share this live telecast for me. And Nana J Senior, I can see you at the comment section. Sandy, how are you doing? I believe you're also doing well. So with all due respect, when you get this live telecast, kindly share it for me. I'm here to show you the new project that I was actually talking about. So kindly share this live telecast for me. Many people are not aware that I'll be coming live. So please, when you get this live video, share it for me. So as I actually told you early beginnings of this year, I told you that probably because I will be celebrating my birthday on the 6th of June 2026, I decided to gift myself two powerful mansions as well. And then, probably because of that, we have commenced the project about, I think, 3 months now. So I'm here to show you where we've got into. So as you can see, this is the project. This is the project that I'm talking about. We are still ongoing. The project is still underway. So when you get this live telecast, you share it for me. It's a two powerful story, and it's 6 bedroom each. So when you get it, please tell people. Let it not look as if OPATAFUOR is lying. No, I don't lie. I do it as how it is. So as you can see my hands, right? Touching it. This is so far how far we've got into. So this is it. This is an architectural masterpiece. Yes, as you can see. That's the road over there. It's actually asphalted, not anything how. So as you can see, when you get it, you share it. Okay. So this is how far we've got into. We've done the parapet. Very soon we will be doing the roofing. So get it. You can see people are still working. So please, with all due respect, when you get it, you tell people for me. So as you can see, right, that is the church right there. That's the church. And as you can see the compound over there. You can see the people over there. They are laying blocks and stuff like that. So it's actually 2-story building. But when we used to be at the village, mansions like this, we used to call it 3-story building. But actually, in a more professional way, it is 2-story building. So please, with all due respect, as you can see, this is it. The boys over there, they are doing, they are walling, right? Laying blocks for the wall. And you can see people over there, they are working, the carpenters and the rest. So very soon, we'll give it a few touches. We'll be doing the plastering and stuff like that. And once we are done, I'll come back and then show you this again. One thing that you have to understand, how important Jesus is. Once you follow Jesus, always, you're going to be a blessing. The God that I serve doesn't know dry season, rainy season, or anything of that sort. Because he is a God today, tomorrow, and forever. And his grace are sufficient, as you can see. So the projects are basically ongoing. The boys are in the site. It is an architectural masterpiece. So this is a place where you will use to come and rest. Now we have another balcony over there. As you can see, it is the staircase. This is the front view of the house as well. You can also come here and rest. We've dedicated a portion. We've extended a parapet over here, so you can also come here and rest. So you can see where the cabin is. It is like that. That's how the two mansions are. So please take note. You can see the boys also over there. So very soon, I'll give it a few touch. Then I'll show you the final result of it. So when I say something, I don't necessarily lie. I do it as how it is. Elizabeth Oduru Mom Hayden, I believe you're also doing fervently as well. Ahmed of you says, Prophet is, this is wonderful edifice. Yes, this is basically an architectural masterpiece. So very soon, this is where actually on the 29th of December 2026, this is basically the place where we'll be meeting. I guess one of my previous videos, I made mention that we will be meeting on the 29th December 2026. So basically, this is the place that we will be meeting. If you are very fortunate to partake in our 29th meeting, this is the place that will be coming. Fully asphalted, no infutru. So as you can see, this is asphalt. So once we give you the directions to this place, when you are coming and you are driving your own car, you are driving on an asphalt directly to the house. So get that for me. And the boys are actually doing the wiring over there. So this is it. So as you can see my hands, this is one house and that is the other one over there. This is 6 bedroom, right? Each mansion contains 6 bedroom each. 3 powerful halls. 8 washrooms as well. And then we have game centers. Could you imagine that I actually dedicated a portion for club? Club and game center as well. Not in essence that we'll be drinking club beer and stuff. At least a place to entertain yourself as a man of God. So this is the first hall. This is the last hall at the top. And this is the master bedroom. This is the master bedroom. This is your bedroom, a very big one. A bedroom, master bedroom over there. And this is your walk-in closet. All this place will be full of clothes. Walk-in closet as well. This place we will actually install glasses over here. So when we give it a final touch, and I show you this edifice, you wouldn't believe it. I've got the squares over there, so get that. So basically, we have about 3 portions, at least, let's say balconies, where you can rest. That's the first one that I show you over there, where I was actually standing. And this is another one at the balcony over here. You can see this is an architectural masterpiece. In the morning or in the evening or afternoon, when you feel like feeling the natural breeze, you just have to come and sit here. And then you enjoy every bit of your life. So basically, this is another place as well. You can also come here and enjoy another interesting way of another life. Okay, Aaron Bagbo, how you doing? I believe you're doing well. Hey, Aaron. So you did? Wow, I see. So let's descend down and check another apartment, another floor too. As you can see, this is another floor. This is actually the first floor as well. Now we have the balcony over there. You can as well come and sit here, or maybe when you have your yes, he says club power. Yes, I intentionally built for that. Okay, so that you enjoy yourself. I intentionally use that particular way. So this is one bedroom, and then you have your washroom over there. Now let's move on to another hall. So this is basically the biggest hall so far. As you can see, this is your office. As where I've showed you, this is an office. You see, when I say club, it doesn't necessarily mean we'll be doing yanum wuntie brafo. No, that's not what I'm actually talking about. It's basically go and search for the meaning of it. A place where you can entertain yourself. We have games and stuff like that. And then a mini bar as well. And once you have a bar in your house, it doesn't necessarily mean that you're going to stock in with what we call alcoholic beverage and stuff like that. No. We also have soft minerals and stuff like that. As a religious leader, I will not stock my bar with alcoholic beverages and stuff like that. So this is my office. This is an office. As you can see, a very big and a spacious office like that. And this is one of the biggest hall, as you can see. So it's not just an ordinary thing. And then, please, this is what we call room 6. This is room 6, and it's a very big room. As you can see, room 6, a lot of things, meanings into it yourself. And this is the bathhouse for the room 6 as well. Now, if you don't understand, you must try to understand what I'm saying. So this is the needles and stuff like that. So at this particular place, we actually not going to use windows and stuff like that. So here we're going to install bulletproof glass. It's going to be that. We're going to use bulletproof to install at this particular space. So when you are in room 6, you can actually watch outside. We don't want to install those things. So as I told you, it's not anything new. As I've already told you that at the early beginnings, I said I will be blessed myself. So this is another space where you can also come and rest. You can as well check it. Another spacious balcony that you can also come and then rest. It's another one here at the first floor. So get it. As you can see, an architectural masterpiece, a powerful one as such. So when I said I'll do this, I don't brag. I'm not that type. I've never bragged before. I just say it, then I do it. So that is it. And then when we go down there, this is where a lot of things are. Now, we have about 3 kitchens at this particular place. This particular edifice will house one kitchen. The other one over there will house another kitchen. And then this place where you see the sun heaping, we're going to erect a beautiful glass kitchen over there. And this external kitchen is going to be used for grass cutter soup and stuff like that. So, as I'm coming from the cement and stuff, I'm allergic. So please, that's just by the way. Kodro, you need finishing anointing to finish what you have started. So basically, as I was telling you, where the sun is heat, That's the place where we'll be building the external kitchen. And the external kitchen is going to be used for cooking grass cutter soup, antelopes, and other bush meat. You know, when you're using those animals for soups, it carries a lot of smell. And the inner kitchen can't be used for that. So I have dedicated a special place for that. So once you come here, when the time is due on the 29th of December 2026, when we gather at this particular place, and then you come, you see the external kitchen over there where the grass cutter soup will be prepared. And then on another note, where the blog is, this is where we'll be erecting another structure over there, so that when you feel bored and you want to come outside and feel the natural breeze, you can also go and then sit at that place. So take note of all these things. So that is how it is. Oh yes. Hey, Eno, Elizabeth, I was like, hi, doing? You're all welcome. I believe you are doing well. So Eno, as I told you people at the beginnings of this year, this is how far we've actually got into. And then Energy says the grass cutter soup is very important. Of course, what are we humans without grass cutter soup? So that's the exact place where we'll be championing all those courses. So get that. So I'm not here to brag to you. I'm here to show you the outcome of what we are doing. By the time that we give it a final touch, when I show you the pictures and videos of it, you wouldn't believe it. So OPATAFUOR, at least $2 to $2.5 million will be spent on this particular edifice. We will be giving it a state-of-the-art architectural masterpiece. You see, we will be giving it a final finishing. So get that. And then give it an ultra luxury decoration. In fact, all what I want to tell you is that the touches that we'll be adding to this masterpieces, it's not an easy thing. So we are spending over $2.5 million on these two powerful mansions, and you see it when the outcome, when we finally show you the final view of it, you will attest to it. So please get that. So we have message coming from Ohini Ebenezer Ohini Church. Says, Papa, please, this is not a chicken change. Hey, this is a, you see, when Christ is concerned, everything is chicken change, right? Because he has it in abundance. Don't forget, Jesus says, in my Father's house, there are so many mansions over there. So Jesus owns mansions. So things like this are chicken changes for Jesus. And this is what it's all about. The reason why I keep on advocating that we should look for the real Jesus, most of you people don't understand. The God that we serve doesn't know seasons. There are some people, anytime there is a change in government, it affects them financially, intellectually, spiritually, physically, everything, emotionally. But you see, when you get acquainted to Jesus, when Jesus becomes the primordial point, when your eyes, your mind, your heart is fixated on Jesus, the original one, I'm telling you that things of this sort will become an abundance. My mom says she can't wait. Very soon, very soon. Very soon, we will give it a final touch. Very soon, we will be roofing it, and after the roofing, we will head to the plastering of it. And after plastering, what else? Charlie, 2026, you be cash matter. You know, get money, I go sleep. That's how it is. Mamie Kuya, I can't tell you the bois. So when you get, when you meet any of the Zenith members, please tell them that OPATAFUOR has finally showed you people the stage at where the edifice has got into. Okay. So Nana J Senior says, I tap into this blessing. The God of OPATAFUOR help me to get there one day. You definitely, you even bypass this level. So you get that. Always aim higher, dream big as well. So that is it. So they are doing the warring over there. The other side, I think it has been done. Yeah. Very nice environment. Straight. I'm just a stone throw close to the roadside as well. So when you get this video, please kindly share with a lot of people. As you can see, my boys are always there. Yamebe, akra. Ti ebi. Timinia, so ebi you know. Same sika me hwie gum na nya easy. Nyankopɔn fa wo sɛ nsuo nto aban sesaw aban ansesaw nyame die wo ye nyame ne tumi die ye kɛse saa nyame yi nam se bedi na chi o ne mu ye dia me de na twitwa agye wo se da ye se OPATAFUOR de wo ye okoto ni no free nyame na onu moja ensem se bebiri well so Mr. Osei will be coming very soon. Then we will go home. Mr. Osei will be coming very soon. Actually, we have another structures at this particular vicinity. So he has gone there to check that one too. So that is it. This is a church. We call the church the Bride of Christ. As you can see the signboard over there. The Bride of Christ, something like that. And that is the church. I love it. Yes. Nana J says, but Papa, you look different in appearance when in church and outside. Yes. When you are in church, actually you have that spirit-filled and a spirit-driven body type. So basically, you will behave differently. But when I'm alone like this, as you can see, this is the real OPATAFUOR. So those of you who will be wasting your time to go clubbing and stuff like that, please, I have another one. I have a special club in my house. And when I finish the club house, I'll show it to you. So don't waste your time, okay? You only have to come and pay a little. You only have to come and pay a little, then I'll give you the keys. This is the biggest clubhouse that we have so far. This is it. You see how spacious this place is. Now, when you finish after clubbing and you descend downwards like this, there is another room over there called room 6. And you know what normally happens in room 6? You know what actually happens in room 6? So basically, this is another balcony that you can also come and stay and have a view of this natural, beautiful environment as well. So room 6 is right beneath where I'm standing. The room 6 is actually the place that I showed you that we will be using bulletproof glass to install at the windows over there. So that's the place. It's OPATAFUOR project na me yɛ no easy. Cash nko na ekɔ no. Ɛna we so no ɛyɛ espresso. Ɛyɛ express. Nyɛ sɛ bia ya hyɛ ase be 5 months in you. Ɛyɛ express. Chemicals aya krafia bruchiri. Ɛne nneɛma ɛne enti easy. Tidano anopɛwie anwummerɛ bia yɛgu so kikra ne yɛsi saa ɛsɛ mewie a na so Mr. Osei, finally Mr. Osei has come. Mr. Osei is over there. Mr. Osei has come. As you can see, the principality. Yes, Mr. Osei has come. That is the principality over there. The principality of heaven. My, me your life na you know say oh yeah principality. So we are principality of heaven. So you know that is the principality of heaven, as you can see. So that's just by the way. So uncry ablabody esa first and OPATAFUOR. Ye pamo mi free fie. Ye pamo mi free fie. Abetena me ma me nua no nchen da. Way back 20 years. No, I think 20 something years. 26 years now, yeah. They threw me out of the house. And I had no option than to hide myself at an uncompleted building. But today, what can I say? What exactly can I say? I have so many mansions, and very gradually, I'll be unveiling them to you. I'll be showing all my mansions. Not all of them, but at least a couple of them to you people. This one, I am showing it to you because I actually began this one right in December. I started this project in December, so the main agenda is to celebrate my birthday in this particular mansion as well. So, yapameda ntene japade me de yede efia na car na se cash me fa nya hwe so na wankokum obi amfa mpesika es esa unya ni munyam unya asumdwie susu obosoma de bi asoma nchi obosoma de bi amanchi na me nsa na ewo mu a etimi ma odi mu me da na madawum sole ya obambofo bi na bɔ me ho ban me mfa ho metuwe ewurade na me so no anka nkyerɛ me sɛ aban bi sisa ahokyere bɛba dabi ɔse abrɛ mu nyinaa abrɛ mu ɔdin no ɔyɛ nsɛnkyerɛne ɔyɛ nkonyaa what I say ɔyɛ nkonyaa obi esu awurade timi ma ɔsere. This is what you have to understand. Greetings to you all as well. Greetings to you all. Very soon we shall meet again. Hello, bye bye. Itibidim besia. Iwie susu ameba betwa fan na ne de akyere mu na nkoye te se as OPATAFUOR kura kotwa obi da na ode bedwa na num da menye bi da. Thank you very much.